Good morning, guys. It is already 9 o'clock. Yeah, 2 minutes to 9 o'clock. And this is my breakfast. Egg and corned beef. The corned beef is still the one coming from Kenneth and family. Yeah, shout out to Angelo and Anthony. They are the two kids of Kenneth. It is now 10:17 and we are going out today because I am day off today and tomorrow, and then the next day will be breakfast again. I am thinking of bringing my housemate, but in the future. And yeah, I reached this place. The name of this place is Gloucester. This is about a 1.5 hour drive coming from Nelson Bay. The time now is almost 1 o'clock. Yeah, and yeah, that mountain is part of the Gloucester Mountain or Barrington tops maybe. And look at those trees. There are some different colors of trees. Very nice. And along the way, so basically there are some construction, I mean road repairs along the way. And the maximum speed that I drive was about 90 kilometers an hour. It was a okay drive. The road is not the best, a lot of bumpy road, but it's all right. And we are here in the Woolworths, and I'm going to buy this egg, $4.80. This time I noticed that the Mukuna actually has a hazelnut, a classic, and caramel flavor. Yeah, very nice. But they're expensive as most of but I'm going to get this one, the classic Mukuna. This is $7, and yeah, this is the smallest. This is going to be the copy in my car. I'm going to leave that there, and I'm also going to leave the vehicle, the van, in here, and then I will be walking around the town. And we actually climbed over there before with Inigo, and we've seen the whole town of Gloucester. Yeah, we've been here before. This is actually the very first adventure that we did with my Suzuki Jimny. In the time I was still on my learner's license. I actually don't want to spend the money for the ready-to-eat food, but I'm hungry. There's actually a Barrington Tops office here where you can book the camping ground. And we are now back here in the van, just waiting for the car. Maybe I actually bought this eggplant and bread. It's going to be my meal for tonight, or maybe tomorrow also. Oh, look at this. It says that I can open this. And again, there is another one, and this is and close it again. Yeah, look at that. I am about 5 kilometers to my destination from the previous gate that I closed. This is the third one actually, and I think this is already the last gate, because I can see now again the main road, and there is the river there. Yeah, so we're going past through the water. I think I made a mistake of taking this road because of this GPS. Yeah, I was following this GPS and it gave me this way. I think this way is only when it is flooded, but yeah, there was no rain. And again, there is another gate. How come? So basically the GPS led me to the detour way, flood detour. You can see that. Also from where I came from. And look at this puzzle, how to open this. I got it. there are some other campers here. Yeah, very nice. So there's one camper there, and there are more on that side. Hey, we're just going to walk around. We're going to figure out the things. And in here there is this barbecue place, but it is closed. Yeah, it's still because of the corona, COVID-19. Yeah, most of them has a trailer. And then this area, this is the picnic ground. It's not allowed to camp here. And there are several fireplace. So this one, campsite booking and fee information. So yeah, this is a paid camping ground. I paid $24. Let's go have a look in the water. Amazing, it's beautiful. Very clear the water, you can see the bottom. This one, this is the kind of fire pit that they have. I haven't mentioned it to you, but I actually have a space here. Yeah, where I have my camping gear. I mean my cooking gear. cooking materials. Yeah. So I have this kettle. This low wattage kettle, just 680 to 800 watts, and it is going to work. I think, I'm not sure yet, but I think it is going to work with my inverter. It didn't work on my power station. If you've seen my videos before, when I camp with my Suzuki Jimny, that is because the power station I have is just 500 watts. This one is 800. I need to cook this in the fire. That's why we are going to the fire pit. Yeah, I don't have nearest fire pit with me, so I'm going to that picnic area. This one I'm going to leave it here because yeah, this is where I'm going to cook later inside. Hey, there is no signal here, no reception, so no internet. Those people that are camping are actually husband and wife, old couple. Yeah, very nice. Gray nomad. I think this wood is still good enough to use. The only paper I have is this paste tissue napkin. I feel like I won't be able to cook the the eggplant. I cannot make a fire. Because you know, the eggplant is better to put in the fire than cooking it in the stove. I have the stove, but I have the yeah, it is starting to fire now. Because you know, it is not allowed to gather dry woods from around. So you must have your own firewood. Like the same like those people, I saw them. They have their own firewood. When I was young, we are cooking food in a wood. Yeah, we are cooking the food in the wood. We don't have a stove. We have just 3 big stone. and that is where we put the pot or pan. Under that is the fire from the wood. So I have been doing this for 15 minutes now, but still no, I cannot do it, I cannot make it. Yeah, it doesn't flame. Yeah, it doesn't flame. I don't know. My lighter will run out of fuel actually. I don't think it is going to continue on. Yeah, you don't really see me anymore. But this eggplant, I'm going to put it now in the fire. Okay, let me show you what I am doing now. So the eggplant is on the top. But it's just smoking. Yeah, I'm using my phone flashlight. I don't know if you can see, but other side is already grilled. Yeah, it's now similar to the same when making a babaganus. Yeah, when I was in Dubai, we are making babaganus, and this is how we grill the eggplant, and then we peel it, and then we chop the eggplant, and then we mix it with some tahina, salt, pepper, lemon, parsley, tomato. Yeah, and very smoky here. It smells like smoke already. I thought I won't be able to make it, but I made it. It is actually still early. Yeah, the time is 5:53, 5:54, but yeah, it's already dark. Yeah, I think it's cooked already. This is enough. I'm going to get water in the bun. Yeah, it's done. Ah, now I know where to get the water. Yeah, from the river. I have this plastic actually. Oh no, I'm suddenly scared. I'm suddenly scared. I'm suddenly scared. Maybe there is a white lady. I'm going to get water from the bun instead. The light is not so bright. Okay, this is where I'm going to cook. So I have this egg, 2 pieces. Actually 3. So it's I love you. I actually have a garbage bin. This is 12 liters garbage bin. Yeah, I'm still not used how to move here properly with while cooking. I don't know where to put. It's just everywhere. It's okay, I will organize it later. So I need to beat this egg. And in case you don't know, I have a pepper. Yeah, this black pepper will stay here because I will always be cooking here in the car. Nice. And salt, I also have salt. I need to switch on this exhaust. And this is the very first time that I'm going to use this set. This actually set of cooking for camping. Yeah, there is a kind of kettle for boiling water. There is a pot. There is this pan, and one more extra. Yeah, and this is the biggest one. Let me rinse it first. Wet. Oh, good thing I have towel. Good thing I did not lose the lighter. And then this eggplant, I need to remove the skin. Yeah, no more skin. And in case you don't know, I also have olive oil. So I put this olive oil here. Then I'm going to put this egg. Look how the smoke goes outside the exhaust. Amazing. Okay, the smoke is going straight out of the exhaust fan. I'm going to put salt here. Then I'm going to put this egg. Dishwashing. So in the Philippines we call it tortang talong. It's actually cooking in the middle, but on the side it's not cooking because the heat is on the center. Yeah, because the stove is very small. I'm going to find a way. Yeah, to balance the cooking. Okay, it's done. And they actually have rice here. Yeah, this I cooked it last night, and then this morning I eat the other half of this. Yeah, still good. Should I eat it in the plate or and should I transfer this? Hey, look at this, I already eat the other portion. Just get some rice. This is like a eggplant omelette, and this is my dinner. Need more salt. Okay, finish. And this half eggplant will still be good tomorrow. Still, I'm full. I'm full. I'm going to buy the normal, yeah, stove. Not this one. This one is very small. It is cooking only the middle of the pan.